In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Facebook Messenger dark mode. Okay, so let's go to Messenger. Let's pick any chat that we want. And then let us go over to emoji. Let's tap the smiling face here. Let's go to animals and nature selection. And then let's scroll down. What we want to do is to select the crescent moon like this, and then let's send that. And crescent moons will be falling down. And then what we want to do is to go to our profile. So tap on our profile picture at the top left, and then when you go to your profile here on Messenger, dark mode will appear at the top option. So you just want to tap that and Messenger goes into dark mode. And that is how you turn on Facebook Messenger dark mode. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.